Hey brother, it's Mark again. Just gonna finish off whatever fluencies I got. So this is the XMTL AJAX request. And originally I started doing this with making AJAX requests with JSON, but apparently that I later learned that I had to do with XMTL. So I had to find another resource. I found one on YouTube that was really nice. That really helped me create this example that I got going. And he's going to say I'm trying to understand the concepts behind it. Um, so for now, body div ID result. We're just gonna get element by ID and display our results later. Go into our script. This is where we're gonna do our JavaScript. So we're making a variable, just name it XHR, and we're making a new XML HTTP request. So we're gonna take the variable and we're going to whenever the ready state changes, we're going to do this function. And if the ready state equals 4, and if the status equals 200, in this case, we're going to go into our document, grab the result, go into the text content, and it's going to become our variable's response text. Hmm. Yeah. And our response text is going to be, once again, in our variable, we're going to use the open method to get the DOM text, and the DOM text is just going to be here. And it just says, this is Mark, and you're watching Disney Channel, dun, 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 whatever. And then we're going to put in true, because, well, it's because I know you're supposed to. False, I'm doing server, but I'm not doing server, and it doesn't actually matter in this case, but whatever. Then we're going to put xhr.send. So when I open this up, hold on, sorry, ignore that for now. When I hit the live preview here on brackets, and yes, I am using brackets instead of CodePen this time because it's easier to use other files such as our DOM text. It should show whatever I said in DOM text. And yep. So once again, to go over that, we're creating a variable XHR. We're making a new XML HTTP request. And whenever the states change and it goes from 0 to 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 5 state change. That's 5 ready states. It's going to do this for each state, but when the ready state becomes 4 and the status of it equals 200, which means we're good to go, we're going to go into our body. We're going to grab the div ID with result. We're going to go into text content, and the text content is going to become sxhr.response text. And if the status equals 404, we all know what 404 means, but it's going to say in our console log, file or resource not found. So we're not exactly going into our console. We're just going to go right into the document.get element by ID. But if I did want to show the 404 error, I would just write the same thing, except I would just go into document.get element by ID, just write it down here, grab result, text content, and it would just, instead of xhr.responsex, it would just be file or resource not found. That's only if it didn't work, but I know it does work because I tested it out. And we are going to our variable. We're going to use the open method. Our first argument is going to be get because we are getting something. We're going to get our DOM text content, and it's going to be true. And true is so I've been told is if we put true, it'll after this starts, the everything after it will not occur until this is finished. But if we put true, then even when it's going, this can go even if this isn't finished. So yeah, we're just gonna click our live preview to see if it works. All right, perfect. Yes, and it does look like we are in our DOM text. Sorry, excuse me. Yeah, I've been taking notes. Right? Yep. And just to show that it's working, I'm gonna say dun 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 dun, and then I'm gonna be like, I don't know, oof. Save that, and yeah, looks, it says oof. So it really is going into the file, grabbing the file, going into the file and grabbing the content. Cool. I know this is just a basic kind of thing, but as for now, that's all I really need to do until I need to get at least everything to at least working. So yeah, that's it for that. And